Do you love a good diffuser blend? Then you need to make this April Showers Diffuser Blend recipe from Simply Earth. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to make natural products with natural ingredients that you can use every day in your home. Turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's get started. Before we get started, I just want to make sure you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make natural products using natural ingredients, and that's why we have this DIY cleaning box. You can get these ingredients delivered right to your door with this box, or you can find them at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing our ingredients from our recipe box and big bonus box, which you get free with subscription. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 drops of citrus burst, 3 drops of grapefruit, 2 drops of tea tree, and 1 drop of oregano. You'll also want to grab a 5 milliliter bottle from your big bonus box. And from your home, you're going to want to use a diffuser. I've got Simply Earth Stone Diffuser here. To make this diffuser blend, you're just gonna add the oils to your diffuser according to your diffuser's instructions. So for my diffuser, I've already got some water in there, and I'm going to add 3 drops of citrus burst, 3 drops of grapefruit, 2 drops of tea tree, and 1 drop of oregano. Let's test it out. I'm just gonna replace my lids, turn my diffuser on. I love how fresh and inviting this smells, just like spring rain that brings beautiful spring flowers. Here's how to make a master blend of this diffuser blend. To my 5 milliliter stock bottle, I'm going to add 33 drops of citrus burst, 33 drops of grapefruit essential oil, 22 drops of tea tree, and 11 drops of oregano. And just add your dropper cap and lid, and add your label. I'm going to shake this blend up a little bit just to get the essential oils mixed together so we get that even, wonderful smell. And then to use this master blend, I can just add a few drops to my diffuser and it's good to go. I love to see your creations on social media, so when you make this recipe, take a picture and share it with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. When you do this, you'll be entered into our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge and you could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Follow for more natural recipes just like this one.